Good morning, children. Welcome to our online class. This is 9th standard maths, second chapter, real numbers. Today we are going to see exercise 2.2, second Roman letter and third Roman letter. Express 1 by 13 in decimal form. Find the length of the period of decimals. Already we have seen in the previous video how to divide, how to write the decimal form. Same like that we will follow this sum also. So first I am taking the solution and then going to see how to divide at 1 by 13. What is the decimal number? So I put the divided form. Then okay. So I am taking 1 by 13 here. 1 and 13 divided by 13. So okay, I cannot divide at 1 by 13. So first I am taking the decimal point here. I put the decimal point 0. So I can add 10. So this also I cannot divide at 10 by 13 because 10 is lesser than 13. So I had one more 0 here. 0. So I can add 100. It is possible to divide at 100 divided by 13. So how many times 13 comes here? Yes, 7 times 7 13s are 91. 7 13s are 91 minus, I am change the sign, minus 100 minus 91, it gives 9. So next step is I can add 0 here because decimal number there. So I can add 0 and 90. How many times 19 it comes? 13 comes in 90 6 times. 6 13s are 78. So I subtract 19 by 78, it gives 12. So then by adding the 0 with the 12, it becomes changed to 120. So 120 in 120, 13s comes 9 times because 9 13s are 117. 9 13s are 117. So again I will subtract the both number. I have the answer 3. So I can add 0 here. 30. 30 how many times comes? 2 times. 2 13s are 26. 2 13s are 26 minus 13 by 13 minus 26, I get the answer 4. Again I will add the 4 0 here. What is how many times? 3 times. 3 13s are 39. 39. 40 minus 39, I have answer 1. So same thing, same denominators I got in remainder. Listen, 1 by 13, the same denominator I got here 1. So okay, again I want to 0, put this, I want to add 0 here. So 0 means again I put it here 0, then same number will become again one more time. So I will stop here. So what is the decimal number of 13? Sorry, 1 by 13. This is the non-terminating and recurring sums. So what is the answer here? 0.076, then 923. This is not the finite number because again we will get the 076 in the remainder place. So I will put the bar here. The bar is represent. These are the number repeated again one time. 0 will become again 7, 6, 9, 2, 3. So this is the non-terminating and recurring. So next question, find the length of the period of decimal. So find the length of means how many number is there in bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here what is the length of that? Length of the period of the period of decimals equal to 6. Is it clear, children? Then we are going to the third sum. Express the rational number 1 by 33 in recurring decimal form by using the recurring decimal expansions of 1 by 11. Hence, write 71 by 33 in recurring decimal form. So, first I am taking the 1 by 11s. What is the decimal of the 1 by 11? So, I am going to divide at 1 by 11. So, what is the decimal of the 1 by 11? Take 1 by 11, going to divide. Going to divide here. Okay, then I put the 1 inside, 1 and 11. Okay, then I cannot divide 1 by 11. I put the decimal point there. So it means we can add 0. Then again we cannot divide 10 by 11. I had one more 0 in the quotient. So I can add in 0 there. So now we can possible to divide it. How many times 11? 9 11s are 99. So subtract this number. I get the answer 1. So 1 means I want to divide it. So I cannot divide. I had the 0. Then I can add 0. One more 0 had means I had 0 here. Then again 100 came. So the 0 and 9 it comes repeated one more time. So 1 by 11, what is the decimal number of this? 1 by 11 is equal to 0.09 bar, because 0.9 will come repeated again and again. Then I am taking the next number 1 by 33. I will change 1 by 33 form of 1 by 11. How? Is it very easy? How? You know how many 11s are equal to 33? That's 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 11 gives 1 by 33. You know the value of 1 by 11. 1 by 3 is equal to, what is the 1 by 11 value? 0.09 bar. Because 1 by 11 is equal to 0.09 bar. So I am going to cancel here. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So it will change 0.03 bar. Change to 0.03 bar. Then what is the answer of 1 by 33? 1 by 33 is equal to 0.03 bar. 0.03 bar. Then next, what is that? What going to change? 71 by 33 going to change to decimal form of 71 by 33. I am taking the 71 by 33. This is the improper fractions. First I am going to change to mixed fraction, you know how to find the mixed fraction, taking the rough column and divided 71 by 33. 71 by 33. How many times come? 2. 2 33s are 66. What we are going to do? Divide 71 minus 66. It gives 5. How do you change into mixed fraction? You know, quotients, you write like that, and then divided. What is the denominator? Is that write be denominator, and remainder be like that numerator. Okay, so I change into mixed form. We can write be like that 2 plus 5 by 33. This form is equal to mixed fraction, same like that. Then I expand 5 by 33 be like that. What is that? 5 into 1 by 33. 1 by 33. You know the value of 1 by 33? So 1 by 33, you know the value already we have found. 1 by 33 is what is 0.03. So instead of 1 by 33, I will substitute 0.03 bar. Then what is the answer here? 5 into 0.03, it gives 0.15 bar. 0.15 bar. That adding the two number, I have answer 2.15 bar. This is the answer of 71 by 33. Is it clear, children? Okay, thank you very much.